Hey everyone, my name is Tammy the Triangle, and today we are going to learn about the types of triangles and the sum of their angles. What are the different types of triangles? The first group of triangles are classified by their angle measurements and the lengths of their sides. There are equilateral triangles, isosceles triangles, and scalene triangles. Instead of me telling you all about them, I'm going to have them talk about themselves. First up is Eddie, the equilateral triangle. Hey Eddie, how about you tell all our friends about yourself?
Sure thing, Tammy. As Tammy just told you, I am an equilateral triangle. That means that all of my sides are equal in length and all of my angles are equal too.
Thanks, Eddie. Now how about we hear from Isaac, the isosceles triangle?
Hey Tammy and friends, my name is Isaac and I am an isosceles triangle, which means that two of my angles are equal and two of my sides are equal in length.
That's really cool, Isaac. Thanks for sharing with us. Finally, we have Sandy. Hi everyone, my name is Sandy. And I am a scalene triangle. That means that none of my sides are equal in length and none of my angle measurements are the same. Thanks everyone. To sum everything up, equilateral triangles have all congruent sides and their angle measures are the same. Isosceles triangles have two equal sides and two equal angles. Finally, scalene triangles have no equal side lengths and no equal angle measurements. Now that we have learned how to classify triangles based on their side lengths and their angle measures, we are going to learn how to classify triangles only by using their angle measurements. There are acute triangles, right triangles, and obtuse triangles. First up is Annie.
Hey everyone, my name is Annie and I am an acute triangle. Being an acute triangle means that all of your angle measurements are less than 90 degrees, or acute angles. A good way to remember me is by thinking of really small animals like a kitten or a puppy, because they are really small like my angles and cute, just like in my name.
Great job, Annie. That's a really good way of remembering an acute triangle. Next up is Randy.
Hello, my name is Randy, and I am a right triangle, which means that exactly one of my angle measurements is 90 degrees, or a right angle. It's really easy to remember who I am because I have a small square that identifies a right angle.
Thank you for that information, Randy. Finally, we have Oscar as our last guest.
My name is Oscar and I am an obtuse triangle. That means that exactly one of my angle measurements is greater than 90 degrees, or an obtuse angle. When I think of obtuse, I think of something really big, so that could help you remember me because I have a big angle measurement.
Thank you everyone for sharing about yourself. To sum everything up, we know that all angles are less than 90 degrees in acute triangles. In right triangles, there is only one angle measurement at 90 degrees, and obtuse triangles have one angle greater than 90 degrees. Overall, we have learned that there are 6 different types of triangles: equilateral, isosceles, scalene, acute, right, and obtuse triangles. Now that we have learned about the different types of triangles, we are on the last part of our field trip about triangles. We already know all triangles have 3 line segments that connect to each other called sides, and they have 3 angles, but there is something more to their angles. All 3 angles of a triangle will always add up to 180 degrees. It does not matter what type of triangle it is, they will always have a sum of 180 degrees. That's all I have for you today, everyone. I hope you had fun learning about the different types of triangles and the sum of their angles.